All right, guys. This is kind of a help video for what we did today. It's not really meant to be that long, so to kind of help you guys with your homework. So, kind of what we did today, we just said that density is equal to mass over volume. So, here's right. The idea was that you would have density would be equal to mass over volume. Okay, so one way we can think about this is, I didn't use this in class, but the idea is that I can figure out, right, density, right, so density here, oh, sorry about that, right, density is equal to mass divided by volume, right, so I kind of showed you in class other ways to derive that equation, so then you could say the same thing, you could say, well, density, or volume, is equal to mass over density, right? So we'd say they're equal to mass divided by density. Okay, and so you could find that m, right? So mass is equal to density times volume. So here, let me show you that. So you just multiply those two together. So another way to think of it would be like this here, so that right, volume, so if you're looking for volume, okay, that would equal mass divided by density. Okay, so we would just draw a line there. So volume is equal to mass divided by density, right? And we could say that, right, mass is equal to density times volume, right? So on and so forth. So, right, this was just another thing. I did realize that I didn't do this with any of my classes. So on this one here, we could say 10 grams if we wanted to calculate this. So if I wanted to find density is equal to mass over volume. Okay, so in this case, density is equal to 10 grams over 50 milliliters. Okay, so then when I divide this, right, the zeros cancel. Okay, so 1/5, okay, is 0.20, okay, grams per milliliter. Okay, so this would be density, that particular one. And so how I would do that, right, so let me clear this real quick. So if I use the little chart that I was just talking to you guys about, so whoops, you don't want to do that. So sorry about that, I screwed up on that. So we have 10 grams and 50 milliliters. So we go back up to this little handy dandy little chart here. I personally like this one. So, all right, in this case, we have 50 grams. Okay, and then we have the volume, I already forgot, is 50 milliliters. Okay, so 50 milliliters. So, right, so to find density, okay, density is equal to the mass divided by the volume, so mass over volume. Okay, so that's one way to figure this out. So hope this helps.